Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to set up and use frequently asked questions on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Frequently asked questions allows you to type out a list of questions that are frequently asked to your profile. When someone tries to message you for the first time, they will see the list of questions you have typed out inside of the chat window. Let's see how to set up and use this feature. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Then go to your profile, from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Then go to Account. To set up the FAQ on your profile, make sure you have a business account. If not, you need to switch to the business account. Tap on Switch Account Type. From the pop-up menu, select Switch to Business Account. Tap on Switch to confirm. And your account has been switched to business account. Then you will see a new option called Business. Tap on it. Now go to Frequently Asked Questions. Tap on Setup from the bottom. Now type in a question that others can tap at the beginning of a chat, to help start a conversation with you. Then tap on Save from the top right corner. And your frequently asked questions are now turned on. Tap on Add Question, to type in more questions. This feature allows a user to post up to 4 questions on their profile. Tap on Save from the top right corner. Make sure the Show Questions slider is turned on. From now on, when someone tries to message you for the first time, they will see those questions you have typed out inside of the chat window. I have switched to another account to see how do people see those questions. Now go to the account. Then tap on Message. Here you will see those 2 questions based on FAQ. If the user want to ask you any of those questions, they can simply tap on that. Now the question is sent. Go to the main account and check. You can answer that question. So it's basically giving suggestions to other people what they can ask you. And these are all the things you need to know about set up and use frequently asked questions on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.